So today I want to talk about automation and AI, the two A's, and why they are two letters that you never want to forget, especially if you're in the business world. So keep on watching, keep on listening. I hope it'll be a good one for you. Welcome back to consecutive day 1717 of a diary of a runpreneur. And today's topic for discussion is all about automation and AI in business and why you need to keep these two words at the forefront of your mind in your business if you want to have the best chance of taking advantage of this amazing opportunity we have in front of ourselves. But before we get into that, please don't forget that this is part of a fundraiser to save the lives of children by attempting the ultimate ultra marathon of run vlogging on consecutive days, a distance of lap the world, barefoot style, and more people we get in front of, more money we raise, more children's lives we save, which is why I do this every single day. So back to the topic at hand, automation and AI. So I've done quite a lot of conversation about and episodes about this transition from the industrial age to the digital age and how AI is here to stay. Automation is here today. Automation has been here for many years now. AI is relatively new. Really came to the forefront over the past kind of 12 months or so. So yeah, AI, it's here to stay. It's absolutely here to stay. There's a famous quote, I can't remember which business leader mentioned it, but he said, AI is not going to take over your business, but a company that uses AI better than you will. Really poignant point. And so I'm going through a process at the moment of launching a new product called Operations Director or Digital Operations Director, which is a business operating system to kind of really drive efficiencies, productivity, profitability within three foundational pillars of business: systems and processes, people and data. This is what I've done all through my business life. And where it's going to be different is that first and foremost, it's done for the client. So it's a done for you service. Whereas most people within this space will be coaches or consultants, we're going to actually do it for them. And secondly, we're going to fully optimize it and keep it updated with automation and AI. And the reason I want to talk to you about these two words, because if you can do anything in your business at the moment and you have the headspace to do so, you should be looking at every part of your business and asking how you can optimize it further with automation and AI. Now, we used to talk about just doing this with automation, and the automation capabilities were limited. But now we've got AI that you can kind of utilize alongside automation, and it can take it to the next level. You've got an artificial brain that can actually kind of make decisions, can process information, can complete tasks for you, which makes automation 10 times more powerful. And you've now got facilities where you can use multi-step automations driven by AI, which are phenomenal productivity tools in business if you get them right. And so my advice to you, I'm only really kind of scratching the surface on this, but I've been fully immersed in this world now for a long time, to the extent that we're kind of ready to offer this as a product to our clients. But the reality is, even if you just ask yourself, whatever you're doing in your business, whatever process or system it is it optimized with automation and AI? So can you take away human intervention? Can you take away human intervention, make it an automated process? Can you utilize AI to make decisions or process information or take certain actions based on criteria? It will be amazing what you can actually do when you start digging deep in this and actually start scrutinizing what you do. You'll be amazed how much you can drive efficiencies within your operation using automation and AI. It takes sometimes, if you're not from this world, you have to take a deep breath and try and really dig deep. The best advice for you I would give is just type in some YouTube searches, automation and AI in business, in typical business processes, and you'll get huge amounts of ideas that you can kind of adopt. You might think the learning curve is pretty steep, but with tools like make.com and OpenAI or ChatGPT, the step-by-step instructions on how to set this up and it's quite user-friendly. There's no coding you really need. There's kind of these software packages now make it so accessible. So get involved in it. Believe you me, there's a fairly widely known stat out there that businesses are losing 20 to 30% of their revenue in inefficiencies, and that's due to inefficient systems and processes, poor people management or the ability to manage teams, and lack of data-driven decision making. And this is why I'm launching this product. But just as some advice to you, if there's anything you can do now, it's just look at how you can adopt AI or automation enhanced by or optimized with AI throughout the business processes within your business. It can be an absolute game changer. So yeah, learnings from my diary are that if you're in business and you're not using automation and AI every single day, you're falling behind. And if that's a scary prospect, it's not hugely difficult to kind of get involved in this space, but you need to be getting involved in this space. This is where the world is going. It's not going to regress now. It's kind of gathering pace. Look at everything you do within your business. How much can you automate it? How much in terms of can you take away human intervention? And how much can you then optimize it with AI, artificial intelligence, a digital brain that can actually make decisions based on certain outcomes that can fully automate systems and processes. If you start scratching the surface of this stuff, it will be an absolute game changer. 20 or 30% of revenue is lost in businesses due to inefficiencies. And this, if you can find an extra 20 or 30% on your revenue because of these efficiencies or profitability, because of these enhancing your inefficiencies, then it's an absolute worthwhile cause. So if you're struggling, check YouTube, just search for automation and AI in typical business processes, and you'll be mind blown. And get involved, because if you're not, you're only falling further behind. So anyway, I hope that's useful. Questions or comments, drop me a line. I respond to everyone. Do remember though, if you believe in my mission of saving the lives of children by attempting the ultimate ultramarathon of run vlogging on consecutive days, distance of a lap of the world, barefoot style, do give this a subscribe, share, like and comment. More people we get in front of, more money we raise, more children's lives we save, which is why I do this every single day. Thank you as always. Stay positive, stay happy. I'll see you again tomorrow.